Let's write the question first. Let's try to read through this question. In triangle ABC, A is equal to 2 centimeter, C is equal to 3 centimeter, and angle B equals to 95 degree. Find the size of the smallest angle. Let's go. So let's try to sketch the diagram. Let's assume this is our angle B, which is 95 degree. Then this is our angle. Let's call this place angle A, angle C. So we are given, then this side will be side A, which is equal to 2 centimeter, and this side will be side B, which we are not given, unknown, and this is side C, small c, which is 3 centimeter. So writing this, you have mark. So now, we now try to analyze which of the formula are we to use. Using sine rule, sine rule states that A, that small a, all over the sine of that A equals to B, the side B, all over the sine of the angle B, which is equal to C, all over the sine angle of C. Yes. If you try to substitute our values, the value given, 2 is given, sine A, we do not know the angle of A, so we still leave it A. B, we do not know the side of B, so we still leave it B. Sine of B, so sine 95 degree. Are we together? Together we are. Okay? Then C, side C, which is 3 centimeter, all over the angle C, we don't know. So if you look at this question critically, you can see that there is no two equation that goes together. All I have one unknown. There is one unknown here, one unknown here, and one unknown. So we need to find either A, B, C before we can go. So that will now take us to the cosine rule. So now using cosine rule, so I would like to digress a bit here so that you understand this topic very well. My students normally understand this very well with this my logic. So now, you don't need to stress yourself much in knowing this formula is very friendly. Cosine rule states that a squared, the square of A, equals to the square of angle B plus the square of angle C minus twice the product of angle BC. That is that. Then B squared will now be equals to what? A squared plus C squared minus twice the two angle. This one cos A. Sorry. Then cos, this one cos B. That is the cosine of the angle B. Then the last one, I'm only writing this for the benefit of beginners so that you know this formula. So C squared will now be what? B squared or A squared minus 2AB or 2BA cos C. That is cos of the side you are looking for. This is the formula. Now, we are looking for two friendly sides so that we'll be able to solve our question. It's either we find A, B, or C. But the question says find the side of the smallest angle. If you look at this triangle, this sketch of this triangle, if you look at it very well. So, we did not know okay, let's continue. Now, we continue. What do we do? Okay, let's try to find B. Now, our B squared equals to, let's now substitute, write the equation down. B squared equals to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cos B. Okay? Let's try to find the value of B. So how do we go about it? We know A, we know C, and we know angle B. So it's very easy for us. Just substitute our value 2 squared plus C squared, what is C? 3, minus 2 times 3 cos of 95 degree. So this one will give us 4 plus 9 minus 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 4 times 3 rather 12 multiplied by cos 95. What is cos 95? You check your formula table on your computer. It gives us minus 0.0871. If you look, cos 95 is 0.0871. Now, when the smoke clears, 4 plus 9 is 13. Then, when you multiply minus 12, multiply by minus 0.0871. So that will give us plus 0.5 approximately. But I don't want to use approximate value. But let's continue. I don't want to use approximate value. So now, this now gives us 13.5 centimeter as our b squared. Then b will now be equals to square root of 13.5 centimeter. When you do that, when you find the square root of 13.5, it gives us 3.674 centimeter. Good. Are we together? Together we are. Then we continue. Let's try to clean some parts so that we can forge ahead. So we can clean the upper parts. Let's clean the question. Now we have gotten b to be 3.674 centimeter. Good. And we are asked to find the smallest size. So in our triangle, let's quickly sketch the triangle again. BAC. AC is 3 centimeter. Then BA is what? 2 centimeter. Then B, now we have gotten B to be 3.674 centimeter. Now, we want to look for the smallest angle. Which one is the smallest? Which one will be the smallest angle? You can see B is 95. Since angle 95 in a triangle, that will be the highest, the biggest here. So it's either A or C that will be the smallest. Now we see the size of A is 2. So it means angle A will be the smallest. Now right, therefore angle A is the smallest. If you analyze it like this, you might give you some mark for that. Now go back to your formula. Our sine A, we know A all over sine A equals to B all over sine B equals to C all over sine C. This is our sine rule. Now we want to find the smallest angle, which is A. This angle A. Now we know A. That means A, which is our 2 all over sine A. What is our A now? Is the one we are looking for, equals to B. We know B and we know sine B. What is our B? Our B is 3.674 centimeter all over sine 95 degree. Is that taking? So now, if you cross multiply to solve for our A, it will now be 3.674 multiplied by sine A equals to 2 multiplied by sine 95 degree. Therefore, sine A will now be equals to 2 times sine 95 degree all over 3.674. Are we together? Are we together? If you have any question, you can send it down into the comment section. I'm there to answer any of your questions. Thank you. Now, when you punch out this in your calculator, so sine 95 is 0.99. Sine 2 times sine 95 is 0.9961. 0.9961 all over 3.674. So let's try to press that out. If you press that out, so sine A equals to the whole of that all over this. Therefore, A is equal to what we call sine inverse of everything in the bracket. Because of time. So therefore, sine, if you find the sine inverse of this value, you now have our A to be equals to 32.1 degree. So that is the answer. So that is the answer to that question. If you have any query, any question, any comment, you can send it down in the comment section. I'm here to answer it for you. Thank you. We'll see you in the next class. Taufik Akinwande Abletif, your online mathematics coach. I help students to awaken the mathematics.